In this guide, you'll learn how to see your Apple ID password. Let's get started. In this guide, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to view your Apple ID password. If you're running iOS 18 or higher, the easiest way is using the built-in Passwords app. Navigate to App Library and search for passwords. After the app appears, click on it. Your Face ID will be enabled. Now click on the option All. You'll see a list of saved accounts in alphabetical order. Click on your Apple ID and you can view your username and password right there. If that does not work, another option is Google Chrome. Open the Chrome app, tap the three dots at the bottom, go to Password Manager and select your Apple ID account. Tap the little eye icon to reveal your password. If neither method works, you can still access your account by changing your password. For that, launch Settings, click on your Apple ID given at the very top, navigate to the option Sign in and Security, click on the option Change Password. You'll need to authenticate using Face ID or another two-factor authentication method, like an authentication app. While this won't show your old password, it allows you to set a new one, which you can then view using the Passwords app or Chrome. That's it. These methods make it easy to see or reset your Apple ID password right from your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.